friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is part 1 to my fall clean and decorate for 2024. Very excited to start sharing some fall decor throughout the house. I was originally going to make this a whole house fall decorating video, but I got a little carried away in our master bedroom and started making some really big changes. And then the same thing happened in our master bathroom and then throughout the house, because I'm also nesting. We're about to have this baby here in a couple weeks, and there was a lot of things that I wanted done before she gets here. So I'm not only thinking about fall decor, I'm thinking about making sure my house is super clean and just everything is in its place. So we did a little redecorating and we're doing fall decor. So today we're working mostly in the master bedroom, and the next video you see most likely will be the rest of the fall decor throughout the whole entire rest of the house. And I'm loving how it's all turning out. I'm almost done, so I'm going to edit up that video for the beginning of next week. So thanks for bearing with me on fall decor this year. Usually I have all of my fall decor done in early August just because I like to have it done when all of the kids go back to school. I used to be a teacher, and this is fall to me when all the kids go back to school. But anyways, we're starting in the bedroom. We're going to go ahead and strip the sheets off the bed, and we are going to put on these cozy fall sheets. I actually ordered these on Amazon, and I thought they screamed pumpkin and screamed fall. And I just love the change. Last year and the year before, I did a little bit more toned down flannel sheets with like gray and white and a little bit of orange. And this year I was like, we are going big. So I ordered these sheets. They are super soft. They're deep pocket, so they're really nice and big, and they're just so cozy. I'll link them down below in case y'all are interested. But thank y'all so much for stopping by today's video. I hope you enjoy. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you. There's going to be lots more seasonal decorating in the coming months for fall and Christmas. Lots of newborn baby content. We're so excited to welcome baby Annie Kate here in a few weeks or in a few days. I feel like she's going to come any minute now, so we are getting prepared for that. But thanks again for stopping by, and let's get right into this video. My favorite thing about decorating for fall every year is bringing out all of the cozy twinkle lights. So I'm going to be adding in twinkle lights to our garland and just throughout the house, really. You're going to see that a lot in next week's video when I'm decorating the whole entire rest of the house. But we are going to implement some twinkle lights here in the bedroom too. And then I also love cozy textures with the blankets and the pillows. Adding in lots of texture just makes everything feel really cozy. And then I'm also going to add an ambiance to our TVs, falling leaves with like the crackling of a fire. There is nothing better. I will link some of my favorites below in case you want to put one up on your TV while you're decorating. But I absolutely love decorating for fall. And I have to say, I think it's my favorite. It hasn't always been my favorite season, but I think it's my favorite ever since Oliver was born in the fall. Just because it's the start of his birthday season, it's the start of all of the holidays. You're not like getting ready to end the season. I feel like when you're decorating for Christmas, it's so exciting and fun, but it lasts for like just a second and then it's over and you have to put everything up. So fall is just the beginning of all of the fun holidays, and it's really exciting. So I love that, and I wanted to show y'all a close-up there of those sheets. These sheets are really good quality and super affordable from Amazon. We love them. They're nice and cool since it's not quite cool in Arkansas yet. And then I'm just going to add these two throw pillows from HomeGoods. I purchased those a couple years back and I love them. And then this little leather pillow I absolutely love, but I decided to go ahead and pull that and replace it with this white cozy pumpkin pillow here. And we're going to be adding some cozy blankets to the end of the bed later. But as for our headboard, this is always my favorite part every year. I love adding a garland up here, and this one looks kind of purpley in this picture right here, but it's actually like a dark chocolate brown, and I'm just adding it for depth. I'm actually going to add a more orangey garland on top, and then we're also going to add in some twinkle lights, and I absolutely love how cozy this turned out. Okay, very excited to stop and share with y'all what's in my FabFitFun box this time around. I absolutely love FabFitFun. I have for years. My sisters love it too. And there's actually some really exciting stuff in here today that we're going to be using to decorate in today's video. So very excited to open this up. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. So FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription where you get 6 products per season from top brands across beauty, wellness, home, skincare, and more. And my favorite thing about it is you get to choose everything that comes in your box so that it fits your lifestyle. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Okay, so the first thing I got was the Sunday Citizen Snug Throw in the color Buttercream. This is going to be so perfect for our bed this fall. It matches everything so great, and it's going to look so cozy on our bed. And the best part is this was supposed to be $65, which is more than I paid for this entire box. Okay, the next thing I got were these Muck Luck slides in the color Irish Cream. And I'm so excited. I told y'all last week that when I get home from the hospital, I'm going to reward myself with some new slippers. And now I don't have to. Very excited about these. These are valued at $49. The next thing that I got were a pair of gold hoop earrings from Ellie Vale. These are valued at $61. Very excited. I've been trying to collect all the gold hoop earrings because I've been living in them lately. Okay, the next thing is this Marilyn Schiff adjustable disc ring. I love having adjustable rings so that you don't have to worry about ordering the wrong size. And this one is so pretty. Very excited to wear that. I'm probably going to wear that to the hospital because it matches my bracelets and my earrings. So very excited about that. And this one is valued at $42. Okay, the next thing I got was this One Kind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. Very excited to try this out. I've heard amazing things about it. And I've been implementing nighttime moisturizers now because we've officially hit 30. And y'all, this is valued at $40. Okay, and last but not least, I got this Aloha collection bag. So excited about this. I'm going to be taking this to the hospital too. And I love that this keeps things dry. The texture of it is so cool. And you can just wipe it off. So this is great for makeup or great for storing any kind of wet items to keep everything else in your bag nice and dry. And this is valued at $34. So this season they are offering 2 separate promotions, both incredible though. 20% off your first box when you sign up as a seasonal member, which is $69.99, and one that gets you a $200 plus surprise gift when you sign up as an annual member, which is $219.99, and that's an annual membership. So for 20% off seasonal membership, click the link below and use code Lauren. But if you want to do the annual membership, which I recommend because it gives you the most bang for your buck, you can click the link below and use code LaurenGift. So just for a little reminder, a FabFitFun membership will get you a customizable box 4 times a year with 6 products in it valued at up to $350. As a FabFitFun member, I get access to amazing sales with brands like Prada, Glossier, Summer Fridays for up to 70% off. The average member saves $500 in their first season. Y'all, you are going to absolutely love FabFitFun. My sisters and I have been doing this for years. We even trade back and forth products that we get in our box, and we are obsessed. Y'all will be too. Get started today. Use my links and codes below. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. I'm swapping out the photo above our dresser for this one because my dress ties in really good with the sheets. I actually brought this one in here for fall last year too, and I love that it kind of ties in all of the orange throughout the room. We have several of these small wood frames, and I keep them in storage most of the time just because we redid the framed art in our living room and we don't really use them anymore. But I am going to find a place for the other 2 in next week's video. We did some redecorating throughout the house just to kind of settle some areas that have been undecorated for a while, because once again I'm nesting and I want everything just like squared away and decorated and clean. I don't know, pregnancy does weird things to you and you have to have everything settled. I'm like, I need my hair highlighted, I need my nails done, I need my house clean. I don't know why we do that to ourselves, but I'm trying to get everything settled and ready for when baby girl gets here, because once she gets here, we're going to be stuck at the house and we have to be able to enjoy our little space. So it's going to be nice and cozy for when she arrives. Now I'm headed over to the dresser. I always keep this little tray over here but I'm just going to add a little white pumpkin from Hobby Lobby and an amber glass vase with lots of those blonde colored leaves, and then a vanilla bean candle, and I love how simple and cozy that turned out. And then we're going to head over to our nightstand, and here soon this nightstand is going to be covered in nursing equipment, so I didn't want to do anything too crazy, but I'm just going to add a simple gray book with a little white pumpkin from Hobby Lobby and then a little Target floral arrangement. And I love that because if we need to move it, we can move it to the other nightstand, or I can just get rid of it altogether. And then here for the end of the bed on our bench, I'm just going to add a cozy blanket with a little leather pillow. At this point, I had not opened my FabFitFun box yet. We are going to switch out that blanket later for the Sherpa blanket that we opened up. And now over to the fireplace on the other side of the room. I love this area. I feel like it's so cozy. I can get a little ambiance going on the TV, turn on the fireplace. But here recently, the fireplace has started acting up. So I think I'm going to replace this little fireplace with an antique dresser and make this like a little changing station for the baby. So I don't know how long this is going to be here, but for now, I wanted to go ahead and make it cozy for fall. So I'm just adding some garland from At Home and a pumpkin. I believe that pumpkin is also from At Home. That's one of my favorite pumpkins that we have. Very glam. And then a little picture of Oliver when he was a baby, a cozy candle, and I love how this turned out. I've had that white mirror over here for so long, and I decided finally to move it to our master bathroom. That's where I had it when we first moved into this house, and I love having a full-size body mirror in our bathroom, so that works out great. And I'm just going to add this cute little fall tree here in the corner. I believe that's from Hobby Lobby, and I just stuck it in a basket from At Home, and that's so cute. And then we're going to move over to the other side of the room, and I'm actually going to pull the mirror that I purchased for our entryway, and I'm going to put it in our bedroom because I feel like it goes a little bit better with the vibe in here rather than the living room. And then for the living room, I'm still going to get a full-size mirror by the front door, but I'm thinking a little bit more ornate for that area, something gold, something with a little bit more going on. This one just looked a little bit plain and a little bit small for that area. So I'm going to move it right here, and we have absolutely loved this change. I love having a large mirror in here to check my outfit as I'm leaving out, and then it just also really opens up this space and makes it look a lot bigger. So I love that. And then the little picture that I had over there, I'm just going to pop it right here for now. That probably will not stay like that, but for now it works, and I love how all of this came together. Now we're just going to vacuum up the room real quick. As you can see, Oliver and Will were in the backyard playing, and I absolutely love being in the backyard this time of night. It was probably around like 6 or 7 o'clock because our house kind of shades the sun, and the sun's kind of setting anyways, but it's just so pleasant. It's not too hot, and it's just like the perfect time of day to sit out there and watch him play. So that's what they were doing, and I was finishing up the room, and here in just a second we are going to turn on a movie and pop some popcorn and enjoy all of this coziness. It is always so much fun to start all of the holidays around here. This actually took me way longer than it looks like it did, and so I did not get to the rest of the house on this day, but you will see all of the rest of the fall decorating in early next week's video. So come back, stop back by. I would love to have you. Thank you so much for stopping by today's video. I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!